You shine light on the dimmest corners of this home. You cleared space when just before there was none. Open the windows and let the fresh air circulate. You brought decorations, oh, and you livened up the place. That's why I love you, and I see you. So I love you, and I see you. The woman of my dreams, you light up a room. Spirit is contagious. I think I've come down with you. You remind me of my purpose, and to live with open arms. Love is deeper than the surface. You're the one that I lean on. I love you, and I see you. So I love you, and I see you. So I love you, I see you. So I love you, I see you. I love you, and I see you. So I love you, and I see you. Hey, love you, I see you. So I love you, and I see you.
When I look at you, I see the highlights of my past, I see my present, and I see my future. You, Parker Allison, are the love of my life. I remember one Friday night just standing there and looking at your beautiful face and sitting there at the bar. And I will never forget the feeling that came over me at that very moment. The moment that I realized how in love I am with you. You've seen me at my best and you've seen me at my worst. And you've stuck by my side through and through and never turned your back to me. Oh my God. Oh, you look so beautiful. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. Wow.
You like it?
You look breathtaking. Wow. You are my partner in crime, my lover, my angel, and my best friend. I couldn't imagine a life without you. Remember what I told you, baby? We're going notebook style. We've gone through so many phases in our lives together, and it's been such a blessing for me to see you develop into the strong, intelligent, gorgeous human being the universe has ever seen. I can't wait to grow old with you and tell our grandkids about these crazy adventures and this beautiful promise that we made to each other in Oregon. I promise to stay by your side through thick and thin. When you're cold, I'll be there to hold you and promise to keep you warm every night. I promise to protect you and keep you safe from bugs, especially the flying ones. And I promise to love you until my last breath, and then the next life I will find you and bring you home. And te amo con todo mi corazón, mi amor.
gathered here today to celebrate what I consider to be life's greatest moment. The moment when two hearts come from far away and are joined together as one. The extraordinary has happened. Today I remind you both that a good marriage must be created. Look at each other and repeat after me. I love you.
I love you.
Do you know that phrase changed your whole lives? When you two started saying that word to each other, everything changed. So with all this in mind, I happily pronounce you husband and wife. All right, kiss your bride.
If I were to tell my 14-year-old self that we would one day be standing here in this moment, I would have thought it was just a dream. In 8th grade science class, we became inseparable. You had a free spirit that I was drawn to, the biggest smile, and the best taste in music. I knew in my heart that you were the one. Our love is special because we have been best friends for 14 years. And although it took you a little longer to realize that I was right in front of you, I waited until you did. We have not only grown together in age, but our souls have become one. Through all of my hardest moments, you have been there, able to make me smile when no one else could. You have made me feel more loved than I ever thought was possible. I promise to try to stay present and to cherish each moment. I promise to dedicate myself to your happiness and dreams as your dreams are mine. I don't think I could ever possibly put into words how much you mean to me, but I plan to use each day of our lives together to try. You are the love of my life, my peace, and my best friend. Wherever you are, I am home. I vow today and always to be the same for you.
We could be lost at sea, you and I, but we wouldn't care just as long as there's you and I. And if we ever part and I make it back to shore, I'll swim back way out to be lost with you once more. Once you know what you got, you feel the loss deeply. Once you know what you got, you feel the loss deeply. I just can't do another day without you. I lose my way. White flag 'cause I'm a man now, hopeless if you're not around. Take me to yesterday, back then to better days. Held in each other's arms, the world was better, a better place.
My world's so different when you're not around. I can't even tell my left from right, my ups from downs. 'Cause you bring the heaven out of me. But once you know what you got, you feel all the loss deeply. But once you know what you got, you feel all the loss deeply.
I just can't do another day without you. I lose my way. White flag 'cause I'm a man now, hopeless if you're not around. Take me to yesterday, back then to better days. Held in each other's arms, the world was better. I just can't do another day without you. I lose my way. White flag 'cause I'm a man now, hopeless if you're not around. Take me to yesterday, back then to better days. Held in each other's arms, the world was better, so much better, a better place.
You can open up to me, show me what's inside. Mother Nature made us to intertwine. Lavender elixir so full of pheromones. Give me one taste and you're gone. What if I can't get you out of my thoughts? What if my seasons don't change? What if you forget to forget me not and we fade away? You're my little flower, blooming in the night, only for an hour. The northern lights, my Casablanca sweetheart, nectar so divine.